Hi everyone, we are Magic Team from Indonesia. Worldwide, approximately 76 billion chicken are consumed annually. But unfortunately, broiler mortality is still high because there are so many infertile factors that should be analyzed well. So, to solve the problem, we proudly present Magic, embedded system and multi-platform apps for maintenance broiler livestock business. Magic is aligned with SGD2, SDG9, and SGD12. Magic has three key features. First, monitoring system. Keep track of your chicken coop condition effortlessly. Second, chatbot and disease detection. Interact with intelligent chatbot that can also help detect poultry disease. And the third is correlation analysis for chicken farmer. Farmer can gain valuable insight into maintaining coop condition for optimal farming. And also, Magic have already implemented into 2 farms, which in 2026 we will expand to all of Southeast Asia. Thank you.